Hi everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guaranty RV. Thank you so much for checking out our website today. Today I'm going to take you over a 2017 Salem Cruise Lite. It is the 171 rear bath model. We'll start off going over the interior and we'll finish off with the exterior. Follow me inside. So one thing that's fairly unique about this trailer is it's a Murphy bed model. So up front, what is a Murphy bed? You get the couch, you know, during the day and at night. Couch goes away very quickly and easily, and you undo the latches there for your bed, and voila, you've got a bed for the evening, and easy to put away. That's really all there is to it. Couch is back. You're good to go for your daytime visit. So you've got some nice hanging space there, as well as here. I've also mounted a couple hangers right there, and small cupboard on either side here. Let me show you that. Got a shelf in there so you can fit a few items in there. You've got a 110 outlet on either side. As we pass down through the trailer, see we've got a good sized sink there, the tall faucet, nice cabinet up here with the shelf. We've got the microwave and hood combination, the 3-burner stove with the oven. So it's kind of hard to find an oven in a trailer this size. It might sound surprising, but most of them will not have an oven, and oftentimes the fridge will be a lot smaller than this too. This has got a full 6 cubic foot fridge, so pretty nice to have, and the freezer as well, but very handy. Some nice built-in division there for your silverware drawer, and another drawer here. Nice cabinet there. You can fit some pots and pans down in there. And then you've got your booth dinette here. And then up here you've got a place where you can mount a TV, media player here, and then some more cabinets here above the booth. And then in the back, you've got a nice big bathroom, and you've got a very desirable shower with the glass shower enclosure. A lot of times in a trailer this size you're going to come across a shower that doesn't have a glass door. It's going to just have a shower curtain, so a lot of people really prefer that too. Good storage here in the corner. They made good use out of that space instead of leaving it empty. And nice storage over here. They really did a good job. You can use that as hanging storage. A person could easily build a shelf in there too if that's what they would prefer, but that hanging storage is really convenient. Medicine cabinet, sink, storage below, more storage, good leg space around the toilet. I mean, they just did a really good job laying this trailer out for such a small trailer. A lot of people will really like this. Alright, that finishes up the inside. Let's go over the exterior real quick. So, this has not only cool features on the inside, but also on the outside. It's got electric stabilizers, another hard to find feature on a small trailer. Here's a little storage here. Actually, no, it's not a little storage, it's a full pass-through, even with the Murphy bed. Most trailers with Murphy beds will not have pass-throughs. So that's also handy. Electric awning, outside speakers, nice big window so you can sit here and have your coffee or your breakfast in the morning and look out on the camp area. How about that? So this storage is below that giant cabinet in the bathroom on the inside, but above the water heater here and your utility shower on the outside. Here's your other control for your stabilizer, your rear stabilizers. Check out that feature. How cool is that? A heavy duty rack, great for mounting firewood, coolers, bicycles, really whatever you want to put on there. It's only going to be rated for a couple 100 pounds, but up to that you can put whatever you like. A small generator. Here's cable satellite connection. This is your power cord here. It's a 30 amp power cord. This one is connected to the trailer. So when you're done, you'll just tuck it back in there. Snap that closed. Back of the refrigerator here. This is the vent in the above the stove. Your city water connection and your fresh water connection. It is a tandem axle, which I really like that feature. This is your furnace exhaust. Somebody, being that it's a used trailer, somebody's already added the bug cover over the top of it. That's nice for keeping insects out of there and wanting to make nests in there. It's the back side of that. Full passage in the front. And up front, you can get a quick look at it. It does come with the larger propane tanks and the electric tongue jack. Guaranty fills the propane tanks once the trailer is purchased. We also will provide a battery and give you a customer care kit with this trailer. So once you come do your RV orientation here at Guaranty, you're done. You're ready to go camping from here. Throw some food in and you can go straight to your camp spot. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out Guaranty's website. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. If you want, you can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. I hope to hear from you soon. Get out and get camping.